Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. Today I'm on board one of our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntlesses. You know, when the automotive industry first came out with the SUV, they said, this is here to do everything. And I would contest, it can do everything except for one thing. It doesn't make you smile. This 27 Dauntless can do everything on the water and make you smile. This is South Florida's epitome of a do-everything boat. Twin motors from Mercury, brand new 3.4 liter V6s will take you there and back, all the security of having an extra if something goes wrong, and of course you're in an unsinkable Boston Whaler. Now when I started, you saw me standing all the way out here on the edge. That's because this boat here in Sarasota is equipped with what Boston Whaler calls their swim patio. This is awesome. Easily 500 pounds can stand on this platform. The kids can jump off it. There's a ladder that goes there if you want to do scalloping and home sassa, diving down in the keys, anything you want to do, this boat is ready and happy to do it. Of course, you got a Yeti Cooler that slides under the seat. Monstrous live well, fully insulated, aerated, lights. It will double as a cooler and it will hold some beverages if you needed to. You've got fresh water back here. And one thing people don't really talk about, these rod holders back here might seem at first glance like something that doesn't need to be there. Guys, they're incredibly helpful. If you're ever going to use this boat for fishing, the ability to drop a rod right here and rig what you're doing, little sabiki for the kids just to have some fun with some pins, those rod holders become invaluable to you. Of course, things that you'll also get used to and never want to give up, digital controls from Mercury. Since the very first Verados came out in late 04, Mercury has had a lock on all things digital for the market. Those are incredible. Designed with BMW, they're just a piece of technology that you will realize you can't live without after a few hours on this boat. Power steering, just in this dash you'll notice is empty and open. That's because we'll put electronics in specific to your taste. Whether you want a single small screen, dual large screens, radar, various sounders, different companies will make that work for you. Come on forward, let's see a little bit more about what makes this 2019 27 Dauntless. So check this out. Boston Whaler wants you to love this boat in quality. And I left this on purpose just for a little thing. What other company goes to the point of putting armrest covers on for their boats? They want this seat to remain a place for years that your family's going to enjoy. And the only boat in this class that has this, guys, this is my tip of the hat. I love this. Right now I've got a bunch of cushions and covers in it. What you don't see here in the back, these are 5-gallon pails. This is so deep that these 5-gallon pails can stack on top of each other and still be room for more. This storage is something that you will, the first time you use, you'll never be able to live without. And I'd love to talk about these loungers forward that are awesome, but that lounger is amazing. They unfortunately get overshadowed. This particular boat, forward table in it, awesome for a little bit of, setting up snacks and such on the sandbar, mixing drinks. And of course, it has a beach boarding ladder. Great second entry for the boat. It kind of moves people around the boat, gives you another place. You don't always have to have people walking past the helm or however that works for you and your family. But around here, a lot of shallow water, a lot of sandbar time. That's incredible. But it's a 27 Dauntless, fully equipped with a live well, hardtop, twin motors, 152 gallons of fuel. You can run this boat to the Keys. You can run it to the Bahamas. You can do everything this South Florida boating requires on this boat and make everyone smile in the process. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. This boat's right here out on City Island with us. If you want to know a little bit more or see just how pretty this gray hull is in the sunlight, give us a call. Talk to you soon.